Hello and welcome to my unboxing video of a Trelino toilet. However, I opened the box and this is what I found inside. So if you want to have an unboxing one, I could stick it back in, put it back out again, but that wouldn't be much point. Anyway, you can see I've left all the junk, the packaging from around. Right, so this is a toilet which is called a waterless toilet, and it comes with a number of parts to it. Right, so we've got the box here, that's that, so it opens up like that. The seat will come out, so let's take the seat off altogether. That comes away like that, and here we've got two compartments. Now I'm sure you can guess what the two compartments are for. We'll have a look at this one here for solid waste first. So the whole thing comes out. It's got a lid to it, and it's got a carrying handle should you want to demonstrate what you've got inside to anybody that might be interested. Now the second part here, in fact though, do remember of course to take this off before using it. Now the idea is to put something similar to cat litter in there, and there's various choices. Trelino offers 4 choices of things of different odors to them, and this bit here, that's the urine, and this obviously this comes off. It comes with 2 caps, one with a hole in and one without a hole in, should you want to actually transport it around. Now so we put that one back in there, that goes in there, and we see that there is something here to direct the urine. So put this thing here back on like that, and that's how it works. Now the idea really is to put a plastic bag in there and then to dispose of the plastic bag. I suppose though you could use it in the same way as you dispose a cassette as well. Obviously a plastic bag would be more convenient and probably less messy as well. But now a toilet like this, you're looking at around 500-600 euros, something along those lines. So it's much cheaper than a toilet of the types of the we used to Thetford, Dometic, etc., but without the cassette as well. So that's what it is. Now for those who have something like a VW conversion or similar VW, a Ford VW conversion, this type of thing, a conversion that you've done yourself, then that might be suitable, because a box like that, it's a convenient shape and it'll probably go under a lot of storage spaces inside the vehicle itself. I haven't used it in practice myself, so I can't actually say what it would be like. When I was living in a VW, I had a plastic jar. It was a big jar. It could hold I don't know, about 5 litres, something like that, and then I'd deposit that. It wasn't exactly the best solution, of course, but it was better than nothing, given that I was in this VW. So from a aesthetic point of view, I think it looks okay. It looks quite reasonable, and I have my doubts about dumping plastic bags with waste in them, unless you're dumping it into a toilet without the plastic bag. But if you're dumping this into a normal either into a toilet, for example, I don't honestly see a problem with that, provided of course that it's been you've actually done something to sort of break down the solids, and you put some something in like Solbio or the Thetford stuff or the Dometic stuff or something similar, then I wouldn't see much of a problem with that at all, to be quite honest. And urine as well, okay, that liquid waste is relatively easy to get rid of in any toilet. Anyway, so there you have it. That is a solution for those who have done a campervan conversion. If you're interested to know more, I'll give you a link to Trelino's website and you can see what else that they've got. For the moment, thanks for watching, all the best from me, and bye for now.